Hi, this is Norm, and today I'm going to show you how to download and run CCleaner. CCleaner is a very good program for cleaning your computer. It is free and it works very well. The first thing that you have to do is go to a website called www.filehippo.com and click on CCleaner. You will see a screen that looks like this, and right at the top here usually is CCleaner, and you click on that file. The next thing you will see is this screen, which has the icon for downloading the file, and this is where you want to click. You don't want to click anywhere else, right here, and that will download the file. Now when you do that, the way my browser is configured, and by the way, this is Google Chrome, it will just show me where it's going to install the program, or where it's going to download the program to. So first of all, it shows me that it is downloading the program. It's showing me where it is. It's in a folder called norm downloads. Okay, now, and this is the file name. It's CC setup and some numbers, and that's the file name. Now, one option that you have is to just click here on desktop, and it will download it to your desktop. And this might be a good thing to do because it makes it a lot easier to find the file later, as you'll see. If you go to if you take the default, the next thing you want to do is click save, or click desktop and click save, and don't change the file name, but do make a note of the name of the file in case you have to search for it. The next thing that you have to do, now I downloaded it to my download folder, so in order to and have to just be patient, let it download, and then then go to here, and this icon down the bottom looks like a file folder, will show you where your files are located. Alright, then what you have to do is you have to go to on this menu. I went to C drive, and then I clicked on users, and there's a little arrow next to it, and that opens up and shows me all the files under users. Then under norm, and under norm there's a file called downloads. I clicked on that file, and it shows me all of the files that are in the downloads. Now what I wanted to do to make it easy to find the file was to sort them by date. So clicking on date up at the top will sort them by date. Now if you click once, it will say click them in ascending order, and if you click it again, it will sort in descending order. So what you want to do is make sure that you get them the way you want. And once you have them sorted in the correct direction, your C setup file will be right at the top, and then if you double click that file, it will go into the installation. Now if you were to have set this up to go to your desktop, what would happen is on the right here, on the left side, all the way up at the top, move that slider up, and you would see desktop. Click that, click the date, and you're already there. So that's probably the better way to do it. Okay, now what's going to happen is when you double click it, you're going to get a bunch of prompts in order to install the file. It'll probably Windows will ask if you want to allow this program to make a change, and you say okay. It's going to come up and say English, and you say okay. Next, you have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click install, and then it will come up. Now when you the next thing, you'll see this screen once it installs, and what you want to do is you want to click analyze. Over on the left, it shows you some things that it's going to do to clean up for Internet Explorer and Windows Explorer and your system files. Now you could change these, but I always leave the defaults, and that's the safest way to do it. So you can just click Analyze, and it will analyze your computer. And the next screen, which is here, shows you what files it's going to remove. So once that's done, you'll see this bar go over to 100%. If it's the first time that you've run this file, this program, it's going to take some time, so just be patient. It may take 5 minutes to run it, and in the beginning you won't even see this green line move, but then eventually it will start to move and go across your screen. Once it gets to 100%, you can click Run Cleaner, and you'll get a warning that says that it's going to remove the files from your computer, and that's fine. That's basically what you want to do. So then you just click Run Cleaner, and it will clean your computer.